Hello, good morning, welcome back. So dear students, today we are going to solve the remaining examples of exercise 4.4 and if possible then we can start with the new topic, that is sixth topic, triangle and its properties. Okay, so on that day we have seen exercise 4.4, question number 1. Now question number 2, solve the following. From that I am going to solve A. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? So, what is the question? What is the lowest score? So, we have to assume So exercise 4.4 question 2 A. Let the lowest score be X. Right? Then what it is say? Statement. Highest marks obtained by a student in a class is twice the lowest marks. So twice of lowest marks. Twice of lowest score. How much it will be? Oh yes, exactly, 2x. And marks obtained by that student, highest marks, they are twice the lowest score plus 7. So we can say that marks obtained, highest marks obtained so highest marks obtained is equal to 7 more than twice the lowest score. And this is given. How much it is? It is 87. Right? So therefore, 2x plus 7, that is equal to 87. Okay? Now, plus 7. So bring this to this side. So when it comes to this side, it will become, yes, exactly, minus 7. So therefore, 2x is equal to 87 minus 7. What do you do? Transposing plus 7 to RHS. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So therefore, 2x is equal to 87 minus 7, 80. Now, 2 into x. So opposite of multiplication, division. So divide both sides by 2. So that is equal to 80 upon 2. So dividing both sides by 2. Right? So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 40s are. So x is equal to 40. So what is the lowest score? 40. Therefore, the lowest score is 40. Final statement is most important. Okay? Now, example number C. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together their runs fell too short of a double century. Double century means 200. Okay? Too short of double century means 200 minus 2. That is 198. Okay? So, how many runs did each one scored? Okay? So, Sachin has scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So, who has scored less runs? Exactly. Rahul has scored the less runs. And so, whose runs we will assume to be X? Actually, we can assume of any one. Okay, but here, as Rahul has scored less runs than Sachin, we can assume Rahul's runs to be X. So we will say let Rahul's score be X. Okay. So Sachin scored twice as many as Rahul. So runs scored by Sachin, what it will be? Yes, twice as many as Rahul. Okay, so 2x. Now, what they say, together their runs fell too short of a double century. So together means addition, right? So runs scored by both. So what you will do? X plus 2x. So that is 3x. Okay. And so therefore 3x is equal to, together the runs scored by both of them, they fell short by 2 runs than that of the double century. Means 200 minus 2. So 3x is equal to 198. Now multiplication, opposite of multiplication, exactly division. So therefore 3x upon 3, that is equal to 198 upon 3. What do you do? Dividing both sides by 3. Okay. So 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. Remainder 1. 3 6 are 18. Now here 3 1s are 3. Therefore x is equal to 66. So runs scored by Rahul are 66. Runs scored by Sachin, we have to find each one score. Okay. So runs scored by Sachin 2x. So 2 into 66. Right. Therefore runs scored by Rahul, that is equal to 66. Therefore runs scored by Sachin, that is 2x. So 2 into 66, how much? 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, and 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. And let us check. So it is 132. Let us check our answer, cross check. 6 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 3, 9. So 198. So 2 short of double 100. That means our answer is exactly right. Okay. So let us move to the next example. So now, question third, number 1. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. So how many marbles does Parmeet have? Okay. So what is the question? How many marbles Parmeet has? So what we will assume? Let the number of marbles with Parmeet be X. Okay. Now Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble. So 5 times the marble. We are going part by part and then we will put the equation. Okay. So it will be easy. So 5 times the marbles. Now 5 times the marbles, 5x. Now we can put how many marbles Parmeet have. That means in the form of equation. So number of marbles Parmeet has, or Parmeet had, Irfan had, not Parmeet. Number of marbles Irfan had. So now we can put that equation. Number of marbles Irfan has. Okay, so Irfan has how many? 7 marbles more than 5 times that what Parmeet has. So 5 times plus 7. 7 marbles more plus 7. Then 5 times the marble that Parmeet has. Okay, so we have got this equation. Now, this number is given. How much it is? Oh yes, exactly. It is 37. He has got 37 marbles. So therefore, 5x plus 7, that is equal to 37. Now bring this plus 7 to this side. So when it comes to this side, it will become, yes, minus. So 5x is equal to 37 minus 7. What you did? So transposing plus 7 to RHS. Okay. So therefore 5x is equal to 37 minus 7, 30. Now here the sign is multiplication. Opposite of multiplication, division. So 5x upon 5, that is equal to 30 upon 5. So what you did? Dividing both sides by 5. Right? So 5 on the 5, 5 6 are 30. 5 on the 5. So x is equal to 6. So how many marbles did Parmeet have? Parmeet have 6 marbles. Therefore, Parmeet have 6 marbles. Now we can check it. Now, number of marbles that Irfan has. 5x means 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 7, 37. Total number 37. So we are correct. Okay. So let's now solve the next example. Now from question third one I am going to solve. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? So what you are going to assume? Number of fruit trees planted. Okay, so let the number of fruit trees planted be x. Okay, now we will go step by step, part by part, okay, of the given statement. Now what they say? The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So 3 times. So 3 times the number. That is equal to what? 3 into x. That is 3x. Exactly. Now we can get the number of non-fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees. Okay, so that is equal to, what did he say? It is 2 more than 3 times. So 2 more than 3 times. So 3x, 2 more than. So that means plus 2. Okay, so now this number is given, 3x plus 2. The number of non-fruit trees planted was 77. So I know this number, it is 77. Now this is plus 2, bring this to this side, it will become, yes, minus. So therefore 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. What you did? Transposing, exactly. Transposing plus 2 to RHS. Absolutely right. Right? So therefore 3x is equal to 75. Now here the sign is multiplication, opposite of multiplication. Yes, there you are. Division. So divide both sides by 3. So 75 upon 3. So what we did? Dividing both sides by 3. Right? So I know the tables. 3 ones are 3. 3 how many is a 75? 25 3s are 75. So or you can do it like this. 3 2s are 6. 1 remainder. So 15. 3 5s are 15. So 25. 3 1s are 3. So therefore x is equal to 25. So what the number of fruit trees planted? Therefore 25 fruit trees were planted. Okay? Now you can cross check it whether we are correct or not. So 3x. So 3 into x. What is x? 25. 25 3s are 75. 75 plus 2, 77. That means we are absolutely right. Okay? Now, dear students, so the remaining examples of 4.4, you will solve them as homework. And now we can move to the next topic. Okay? So now, let's begin with the 6th topic. That is the triangle and its properties. What is a triangle? I know you have studied. Just let us brush up the knowledge what you have studied. Okay? That means some sort of revision. So that you will know, yes, this is what we have studied. And I remember that. Yes, you remember. Just we need to revise it. Okay? So, what is a triangle? A triangle is nothing but a simple closed curve. What it is? It is a simple closed curve which consists of 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. The name itself tells you triangle. That is the figure which has got 3 angles. Closed figure which has got 3 angles. Triangles. Right? And so, what is triangle? Here. This is the figure. This particular figure, which is a simple closed curve, it is called as the triangle. Right? Now, each one has got its own elements. So, triangle has got 6 elements. Do you know them? Don't know elements. I feel you know them, just you don't know that they are called as the elements. These are the elements. There are 6 elements. Which are they? Yes, exactly, absolutely. 3 sides and 3 angles. So, segment AB, segment BC and segment AC. 3 sides and 3 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. So, 3 angles plus 3 sides. These are called the 6 elements of a triangle. Okay, now we have studied how to name. Now only I have read. Oh, you can say segment AB or segment BA. Both are same. Aren't they? Yes, they are. They have to be. For example, Aryan Madhav or Madhav Aryan. Are they 2 different guys? Not at all. They are one and the same. Or Sajini Didi Parulekar or Parulekar Sajini Didi. Are these 2 different? No, they are not 2 different girls. They are one and the same. Right? Same way. Segment AB or segment BA. They are same. Okay. So naming can be done for segments in 2 ways. So AB or BA. This is one segment. Segment BC and segment AC. Then names of the angles. So you should always have that habit of writing the names of the angles in 3 letters. Don't write single letter names. Okay, that will help you. The vertex should be where the angle is formed, should be always in the middle. I will tell you. So sides, as I have said, AB, segment AB, segment BC and segment AC. Okay. Then names of angles. Angles. Angle BAC. Angle ABC and angle ACB. Angles can be named in three different ways. Either single letter name, and three letter names you can name it in two different ways. See here. Angle BAC. BAC. Where is the angle? Here is the angle. Angle BAC. Center, this middle letter, it tells you where the angle is formed, at which vertex the angle is formed. So remember that. That is most important. That this is the basic. If you understand this basic, 9th standard geometry becomes easy. You will not make mistake. Right? So, angle BAC, that is BAC. Can I label it in another way? Yes, I can. Angle CAB. Angle CAB. Yes, there you are. Then, angle ABC. Angle ABC. How can I name it in different way? Can you? Absolutely I can. Angle CBA. And then, angle ACB. Can you name it in a different way? Yes, angle BCA. Do you get it? So, this is what most important. How I name the angles. Okay. So, these are 6 elements of a triangle. Now, my dear friends, depending upon the type of side, we have studied 3 types of triangles. When none of the side of the triangle is congruent or they are equal, if no side of the triangle is equal, then the triangle is called as, yes, it is called as scalene triangle. We are studying types of triangles based on their sides. Then, when all sides are equal, then that triangle is called as equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Right? And when any 2 sides are equal or congruent, then the triangle is called as, isosceles triangle. What it is called? Isosceles triangle. So, based on the sides, triangle can be classified into 3 types, or there are 3 types of triangles. Scalene triangle, or a triangle in which none of the side is equal. Second, isosceles triangles which has 2 sides equal. And the third, equilateral triangle which has all the 3 sides equal. Right? Then, based on angles, when all the 3 angles, they are acute. So, you should first know what is meant by acute angle, then you should know what is right angle, and then you should know what is obtuse angle. Then you can go over here for the triangle. So, let us revise. So, this, what type of angle it is? This. Yes, this is acute angle. That is the angle which measures less than 90 degree. It is called acute angle. Am I right? Then, right angle. The angle which measures 90 degree. You can see here. Right? The angle which measures 90 degree, or here. The angle which measures 90 degree is called as right angle. And then, the angle which measures more than 90 degree is called as obtuse angles. You see angles everywhere in nature. Observe that maths is present in each and every part of your life. But we don't have that vision. I'll tell you. See the angles in which how the branches of the plants are formed. See the types of angles there. See the angles made by the stems. Right? That is the branches of the leaves with the stem. Okay? There you can see. See the angles present in your house. The angles which walls make. See the angles shown by the hands of a clock. So angles are present in each and every part of your life. Visualize them and then you will know how angles are important part of our life. Okay, so based on that angles, triangles are called as acute angle triangle. First type, acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means what? The triangle whose all the three angles are acute angles. I believe now you know what are acute angles. So the triangle whose all angles are acute angles is called as acute angle triangle. Then next, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. A triangle in which one angle is right angle is called as right angle triangle. Can you have two angles, right angles in a triangle? We cannot, because some of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180, and if two angles are 90 degree, then is third angle possible? Not at all. I cannot draw the triangle, right? And so only one angle has to be right angle. So a triangle in which only one angle is right angle, or a triangle having one right angle is called as right angle triangle. Then last type based on the angles is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. What is that? A triangle which has got one obtuse angle is called as obtuse angle triangle. Can a triangle have two obtuse angles? No, it cannot. Why? Measure of obtuse angles is more than 90 degree. Suppose if it is 100 degree. Now there are two obtuse angles, 100 plus 100, 200. ये तो मेजर 180 से ज्यादा हो गया, तो ट्रायंगल कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग? नहीं possible. So what is the definition? A triangle which has one angle, obtuse angle, is called as obtuse angle triangle. Yes. Acute angle, all the three angles are acute only. Okay, so type of triangles based on angles. What are they? Acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. I believe you know all these definitions. If you don't know, I have already told. So you can write it down and you can remember, because you need this till 10th. In 11th and 12th also you need it, but at least till 10th you can remember them. Okay, now next part, what I am going to take. See here, this is side BC, which is the angle opposite to side BC. हाँ, yes, exactly. इसके सामने वाला एंगल कौन है? एंगल A, that is angle BAC. So angle opposite to BC, साइड BC, कौन है वो? एंगल BAC. उसके सामने वाला एंगल कौन है? एंगल A. Angle opposite to segment AB. There you are. Angle BCA. Right, my guys. Yes, you are right. Then angle opposite to segment AC. Angle ABC. Exactly. So that is the angle opposite to segment AC. Right? So you should know that. कौन सा सामने वाला angle? That is most important. Then in other ways, which is the side opposite to angle BCA? तो पहले हमें क्या ढूंढना है? एंगल BCA कौन है? कौन है भाई? एंगल BCA. So इसके सामने वाली सेगमेंट कौन है? सेगमेंट AB. So segment opposite to angle BCA is segment AB. Am I right? Yes. Then which is the segment opposite to angle BAC? तो एंगल BAC कौन है भाई? ये एंगल BAC. उसके सामने वाली सेगमेंट कौन है? एंगल BC. देखो सामने वाली है ना? है सामने वाली. Right? So angle BC, segment BC is the side opposite to angle BAC. Do you understand? I hope you have understood. Okay, so on page number, I'll tell you the page number 113, you have got try this here. So question 1, 2 and 3, you have to classify these triangles. Okay, I'll tell you, in first triangle, two sides are equal. So you know what type of triangle it is, based on the side. Based on the side it is isosceles triangle. And all angles, you can see, all angles, they are acute angles. So it is acute angle triangle. Then see number 2. Based on the sides, none of the side is equal. So it is, yes exactly, scalene triangle. And here, the angle is 90 degree. So it is a, based on the angles, right angle triangle. Based on the sides, scalene triangle. Now, third one देखिए, two sides are equal. So what type of triangle it is? Based on the side, isosceles triangle. And based on the angles, you can see this angle, it is more than 90 degree. Yes, obtuse angle triangle. So remaining 3, you have to write this and also do this of your own. I have told the answers of first 3. How to do it? Based on the sides and based on the angles, do the classification. Okay, so try this. Question 1, 2, 3. This is your homework. I hope you will do that. And we'll meet in the next period. Whatever I have taught till now, I hope you have understood. And if there is any doubt, you can definitely ask me. But my request is watch the video carefully. Whatever the important points are there, I am always explaining them. So without watching the video, don't directly question. Okay, so then what happens? That shows that you have not watched the video carefully. If you have watched the video carefully, then you will definitely understand it. Okay, so let us stop here today and we'll meet in the next period. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.